Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to use the 24-hour time format, or you want to off the 24-hour time format for your Google TV. And now I'm connect my Hisense TV to my Chromecast with the Google TV OS. Okay, and it will work the same way to your Google TV. So now let's check it out. First of all, you need to go to your home screen, and after that go to setting, select on it, go all the way down to system button. Okay, after that press to the right, so press to the right, and then you will find the dates and time setting. Go to it and now select on it with the selection, and now you will see on the lowest button setting it's a 24-hour time format. If you want to use it, just make this button to go blue, and if you want to disable it, just select to it and turn it off. Okay, and now we go back to the home screen and let's check out on the screensaver. You will see now your time format, it's going back to 2:52 p.m. Okay, now for example, if I enable the 24-hour time format, and let's check out on the screensaver once more time. You will see now the time format is now 14:53. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change 24-hour time format on your Chromecast with Google TV device. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.